My buddy said, you know, what do you want to do? And I said, I want to play in the NFL. He's like, yeah, right. And one of my favorite stories about somebody who didn't believe in me was I had this teacher at Cal, and I wrote this paper, and she said I cited incorrectly. Let's say 15, it was like 3/4, so 15 of the kids didn't cite it exactly how she said. 14 of them got to rewrite the paper, not me. So I said, okay. So I went to her office, and she was ready for me. She had my paper out. I said, look, I'm not asking for a special privilege here, but the other 14 kids who got an F on the paper got to rewrite the paper, and I didn't. And she ripped me apart. You are an entitled athlete. You expect things to be given to you. What are you going to do with your life? And I said, I'm going to play in the NFL. She said, no way in hell. You won't make it. You'll get hurt. You'll never make it. And what I've seen from you is you won't amount to anything. And I said, watch me.